Hunter Biden, the son of US President Joe Biden, is facing serious legal charges.
No one is above the law, even if your last name is Biden.
A federal indictment accused him of 3 crimes related to a gun purchase in 2018. And Hunter Biden was found guilty on all 3 felony charges. So what is Hunter's crime and why is he convicted? In October 2018, Hunter purchased a gun in Delaware. Federal law required buyers to complete a background check form that includes questions about drug use. President Biden's 54-year-old son allegedly made false statements about drug use in order to purchase a gun, whereas he was actually struggling with addiction.
During my battle with addiction, my parents were there for me. They literally saved my life.
The indictment alleged that Hunter answered no to a question about drug addiction, even though prosecutors believe he was using crack cocaine at the time. So Hunter lied on a mandatory form by denying he was using illegal drugs at the time.
Earlier today, Hunter Biden was convicted of 2 counts of lying on a form submitted to a federal firearms dealer about his addiction or use of crack cocaine and possessing a firearm while a user or addict.
The indictment filed in September 2023 details 3 specific charges: making a false statement to gun dealer, providing false information on a federal form, unlawfully possessing a firearm as a drug user. This is a significant event, marking the first time in US history that a child of a sitting president has been convicted of a crime. Hunter's legal team initially negotiated a plea deal, but it fell through in July 2023. The trial lasted several weeks with both sides presenting their arguments. The prosecution argued that Hunter knew about this drug use at the time of purchase and intentionally lied on the form. They presented evidence like text messages, witness testimonies, and excerpts from Hunter's own memoir detailing his struggles with addiction. Hunter's defense team countered that the prosecution's case lacked solid evidence. They argued that the drug residue found on the gun could have come from another source, and that witness testimonies were unreliable. 13 witnesses provided testimony during the trial, with Hunter Biden opting not to testify himself. After careful deliberation, the jury found Hunter Biden guilty on all 3 charges. This verdict makes Hunter the first child of a sitting president to be convicted of a felony. President Biden released a statement expressing his love and support for his son while also respecting the judicial process. He acknowledged Hunter's past struggles but emphasized his pride in his son's progress. The Hunter Biden case has sparked debates about gun control, addiction, and the legal system. As for what happens next, Hunter Biden has the right to appeal the verdict.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.